Do you have a blog or an e-commerce store and you're trying to figure out how to install Google Analytics for WordPress? This is Matt Victor. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel and walk with me as I take you through the process. So, with this Google Analytics plugin, you'll be able to know your customers. You'll be able to track the number of visitors that visit your blog. You'll be able to know what they are doing. You'll be able to know your site is performing. And the advantage of having analytics is that you can be able to view both the analytics on the Google Analytics page or rather dashboard, and you can be able even to view it on the WordPress dashboard. Now, without much ado, I will go straight to the demo process. Now, I have a site called Scribe for Jesus, and it's this site that I'll be using for the illustration purposes. Now, for you to, you first of all need to have a Google Analytics account. Since I already have a Google Analytics account, I will go straight away to the process. If you do not have a Google Analytics account, what you'll need to do, you'll need to sign up for a Google Analytics account. So I will go straight and type on the search bar Google Analytics. Then when I click on this search, I'm going to be directed to the dashboard. Now on the dashboard, this is where I will be able to enter various details. Now I will go to straight away to the admin section. I want to add an account, and the account that I want to add is Scribe for Jesus. So I will go to the next. I want to measure my website, so I will go to next. So it's called Scribe for Jesus. I will go copy the URL and come paste it here. I will select HTTPS and delete this. The industry, I can say it's business. Kingdom, I'll say it's Kenya. I'm currently in Kenya. Okay, Kenya, a great country. So I will press on accept, and with that you can see that I have created my tracking ID is 171.630.67/1. So the next process is going to my WordPress and installing this plugin. So I will go here, add new, and search for the Google Analytics. Google Analytics dashboard. Google Analytics dashboard. So I'm going to install this. I see it has got better matrices as compared to this other one. I will activate it. So I will launch the wizard. So this is a blog. So I'm currently using the free version, so I'll simply connect on connect. I will go to Smart Victor and allow. So the site is this. So these are the recommended setting, events tracking, yes. So install updates automatically, yes. Help us improve, no. So I don't intend to go pro at the moment, so I'll say finish, and you can see so the data will take time. It will take time for me to be able to access the data, but now you can see the session is currently 1. The page views will be appearing under here. So average session bounce rate, I'll be able to see the returning new visitors, the returning 10 referrals. I'll be able to see the top 10 countries, the top 10 posts or pages. And with that, I come to the end of my presentation. Thank you.